Hello and welcome back to your favorite channel, Girl Tech Decoder. So in this video, we're going to actually be creating an environment and installing the various packages within it. So the last video we installed mini Conda. So let's see how to proceed from there. Okay, so after we've installed our mini Conda 3, we're going to go to our search bar and type Anaconda prompt. So you see, I already have Anaconda prompt up. So for those who don't have, we're going to need to type Anaconda prompt. Okay, it's going to pop up and we're going to just click into it. So that's it. It opens. Let me make it to be bigger. Okay. So as we can see, this is the default environment we have when we install mini Conda 3. That is the base and the bracket. Then this is the file part to where we are. In my laptop, that's what it is, but in yours, it might be different, so don't worry about that. It's just a file part to where we are. So in order to create our own project, we're going to need to create our own project folder. In order for us to create a project folder, we need to at least check the folders that are inside our file directory so we should not create the same name over and over. So what we're going to do for those who are using the Windows, we're going to write dir, then we're going to see the different folders we have, the different directories we have. So we see we have that is we see mini Conda 3. This is a mini Conda 3 installed, and so those are the various directories we have. So that is it. So now we are going to create our own directory. Since we have seen the directories that are inside, we're going to create our own directory. So we're going to say empty, that is make directory. MD means make directory. So we're going to create our folder and say machine, my first project, no, let's say machine learning, ML projects. So ML projects will be better. We're going to write ML projects and click enter. So that's it. Now we have created a directory. What we now need to do is enter into a directory that we have created. So what we're going to do now is type D in order to check if our folder has actually been created. So let's take a look. ML projects. Yep, that is it. So our folder has actually been created. So what we need to do now is we need to enter into our folder. So we're going to write CD. CD means change directory. Change directory into ML projects. So that is it. Write enter. So you see now the file part has changed. We're now into ML projects. So what we're going to do now is to tap a D to see if there are any folders into our project. So we have 0 update. That makes sense. We're just unfitting it. There's nothing inside yet. So now let's see how to create an environment. So in order to create our environment, of course, we're going to need our personal assistant, Conda. So Conda, where are you? Please come. We need you. Conda, please create. So this is just actually the command we're going to use. So I'm going to us actually be writing out our commands and prevent a lot of copy and paste. We'll get used to this. So Conda, please create prefix./env pandas numpy matplotlib and scikit-learn. So after doing this, what we're trying to do here is we're begging Conda that Conda, please create an environment, and within the environment, please include pandas, numpy, matplotlib, and scikit-learn. So that's what we're trying to do in this command line. Okay, so that is it. Let's press enter. So our environment, you see our environment, then now it has added matplotlib, numpy, pandas, scikit-learn, and you see the following packages will be downloaded. So in order for these tools to work, we actually need the following packages. So that is it. We see Conda is actually downloading our packages that we need. So Conda goes to the internet and downloads the various tools, downloads the various packages. So as you can see, that is it. There are a whole lot of them. That's it. So we're going to need to press yes. So why? And continue. So we see that is it. It has gone to the internet and looked for all the various packages and installed them. So you go now, you can check now your project. You see we have our environment created. Wow. So inside our environment, we see all the various packages. Oh, there are really a lot of them. So there are really a lot. So we're going to see about this. So let's go back to Anaconda prompt. So since we have created our environment, we see. So this is the command to activate our environment that we have created. So we're going to copy and paste it. Yes, that is it. But I would like us to actually be writing our commands in order for us to know it very well. So we're trying to say, Conda, please activate this environment. So click enter. You see the environment has been changed. So congratulations if you have been able to reach up to this level. Yes, it's not easy. So congratulations. So our environment has been activated. So from here, what we're going to see is try to test the environment and see. So we're going to, we didn't install Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter, we didn't install Jupyter. Of course, we're going to be needing that. So we're going to need our personal assistant again, Conda. So Conda, please, we need you again. We need to install Jupyter Notebook. Conda, install Jupyter Notebook. As well, you can see just why Conda install Jupyter, not the notebook also, doesn't matter. So we click enter and it's trying to install it. So it's collecting the packages as we can see. So it has installed completely. We need to write a yes for it to continue. So actually it's kind of the same process that is going on. Conda has gone to the internet and downloaded Jupyter, and now it's installing it with the various packages in it. So we see, we go back up, we see we have installed NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Scikit-learn, and Jupyter. So we have installed all of these, and now we're going to need to use it. So what we're going to do now is try to enter our Jupyter Notebook. So Jupyter Notebook, we'll tap enter. So this is the interface we have. You click on the environment. These are the various libraries we have. So this is actually our folder that has opened here. So now we're going to go back. Okay, so we're going to continue and I'm going to explain all of this in the next video. Okay, see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope this is going smoothly. Of course, if you have any problem, don't forget to write down in the comment section.